It's me, Manfred Campos. You can see and like it's a new one, and it's a show cordless puffer brought by vacuum cleaner from Walmart. This is filter, and right here is shock metal. That's aluminum. There's the hair, dust, the dirty stuff, and don't dump it at the ground. This is not a big mess. So let's stop being and there's 2X make a new bed, the nice one, the big helper, and that's salt. It's dirty here. Plastic on the ground. Have plastic clips. Let me see. Yeah, sharp metal. That's aluminum. Enough. Yeah. Help you and this. So X will the yellow structure right there. The yellow color. Move this stuff. Oops, sorry. Can move the pan. There's the TV. You can move couches right there. Right. It's cloudy. You can see it's dirty right there, and that's it's dirty in here. Check in here. Like that dirty red stuff right there. Alright, so what we could do that. Alright, thank you for watching and see you Monday. Bye bye.